video, we're just going to have a brief run through of the reports that are available in Freeagent. So these are the things that you would typically run or ask from Freeagent after you've put in some information into the software. Sales, purchases, bank transactions, etc. And once that information's in, then Freeagent's able to output a nicer, much easier understanding report for you. So to get to reports then, what we do is we move up to the accounting menu item at the top and then click on reports. Once through, these are all the reports that are available through Freeagent. These are reduced compared to some of the other accounting providers out there, but what Freeagent tries to do is keep things very simple in the sense that every business has a profit and loss and every business has a balance sheet. Rather than calling them several different things or designing them in slightly different ways and calling them something else, Freeagent tries to keep things simple so that the user, yourself, has fewer options to choose from, but it's going to be the information that you need, rather than trying to spend a few minutes trying to find the particular report that you're after. So I'll just talk through some examples here. So balance sheet, if we wanted to know some information about where the company's financial position was right now, we can click on balance sheet, or we could narrow that down to a particular accounting period that was set up for this company or a custom date. But for example, this is just showing all our assets on the debit side, the left hand side of the report, and then all our liabilities on the right hand side, the credit side of the report. So that's balance sheet. So to get back to the reports, accounting and reports there, or alternatively, if you wanted to jump straight to another report, you could just click on the balance sheet item there and then choose the report that you were after. So we could go, in this example, just move to Age Creditors, which is the amount of money this business owes to its suppliers and when it owes them. So if I click on Age Creditors, we've just jumped straight from the balance sheet to the Age Creditors report. And now we can see who we owe money to. So the total column is the total amount this business owes money out to, and then it goes on and explains how much VAT was on each of these and when the invoice was originally raised. So we can see that we raised one in the last 30 days, but everything else is older than 3 months basically. So that's an age creditors report, for example. Age debtors, very similar, so that's more customer orientated. So it's the same looking report, but it's saying actually who owes you money still, who do we need to go chasing debts with. So that's that. So if I scroll back to the top and just choose reports again, just to get back to the main page of the reports, another useful report would be customer sales. So if we wanted to show who was spending the most amount of money with us, we could use customer sales, and we could choose the accounting period and also show by month. So in this example, all the sales were recorded as being August 17, and everything happened in the August column, and this B customer limited is the top ranking customer based on sales for that particular period. So another useful report there. And then finally, I'll just jump back to the reports page and just click on the trial balance option here. So this is quite a useful report for showing your accountant where the business stands, and it just lists out everything that is as at now, for example. So we know that so far we have £1,000 in web hosting, and we have £5,500 worth of computer equipment that we purchased, etc. Accountants find this report very useful. It's what they base their statutory financial statements on. But equally, as a business owner, you could have a quick snapshot of what's in each pot, each nominal or each category that you've set up in Freeagent. So I hope that's helped, but if not, feel free to get in touch and we'll be more than happy to help you and advise you how to review these reports. Thanks for watching.